Welcome back. You are now looking at the search term Think Insights, and there is a website that Google has called Think with Google. If you go to thinkwithgoogle.com, what this site actually is it gives us the marketing significance of certain topics in internet marketing as well as marketing in general. So what we can do is we can always look at our term in light of some of the research that Google has been doing. All we'll need to do is to use the search and then write in our search term. Now, it may be that our term doesn't have any particular relevance, so we might need to broaden it. And in this particular case, we might have to broaden it again. And what we'll start to see is that there is insight on broader terms when it comes to marketing from Google's perspective. Think with Google is divided into three basic areas: consumer insights, marketing research, and advertising channels. So if you want to understand your search term from a marketing perspective, you'll want to go to Think with Google and then place it inside of the parameters. And then if you don't find it, continue to broaden the term until you find the basic structure of where Google intersects your term. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.